So yeah, Torchit is a social startup working towards empowerment and the inclusion of persons with disability, where we mainly focus on two things: accessibility and affordability. And we are providing affordability with the quality and the proper training. So this is what you will hear again and again from my pitch. So I apologize, but this is what we actually do: affordability, inclusion, accessibility, training, and the quality. So we know the population of 1.1 billion people with disabilities across the globe by WHO, and around 26 million in India. So what the biggest challenge which we are solving is the awareness, availability, accessibility, and affordability of assistive devices by providing all under one roof, which is Torchit. And Torchit has created Enable Mart, which is one-stop solution for all kind of 800 assistive devices. Many of you have visited our stall outside, and we have created a very good resource book, which we launched last year at Global Disability Summit in Germany. So which resource book you have, which is one of the most, like more than 800 solution in one book, like solutions for visually impaired, hearing impaired, locomotive impaired, or even intellectual, even children with special needs, from early childhood to elderly people, from education to games, and everything you can find there. So we started with one product, which is Sarthi. Sarthi is world's most accurate and the most affordable. So this is what we got. We got the national award and many other accolades by God grace and blessings of our users. So far we have already impacted 1 million lives, not only in India, but in 40 countries in last 7 years. But with your support, we want to impact 10 million lives, which means 1 crore families we want to touch across India. And we are a proud Indian startup and impacted 1 million already in 40 global south. So Torchit started with Sarthi, which is one of the most affordable and the most accurate solution in the world, which you can attach to any cane and make it a smart cane. So this is a regular cane, and you can connect to any children cane, and it become a smart cane. So right now, more than 300,000 people across 40 countries are using this and walk independently. So this will just identify obstacle in front of them, and it will test through vibration, and a visually impaired student or anyone who can go from one place to another with more dignity and independence. So this is about the mobility. So now we created the Jyoti AI glasses. With these glasses, people say a visually impaired person can see, but I can say they can visualize. And they can visualize through audio. And this 15 gram of product, you can connect to any glass and attach to any smartphone or any computer or any system. And you can able to, a visually impaired person able to visualize what is happening in front of them. As soon as I connect, it will start. And let's see what is happening in front of me. Like, I will give you a quick live demo. So right now it will give in Hindi. I set the official, yeah. So in couple of seconds, it gives the output.
एक व्यक्ति का हाथ एक स्मार्टफोन पकड़े हुए है, जिसकी स्क्रीन पर कमरे का छोटा दृश्य दिखाई दे रहा है। यह एक बड़े सम्मेलन कक्ष का दृश्य है, जहां कई लोग गोल मेजों और सफेद सोफों पर बैठे हैं। कमरे में अच्छी रोशनी है, जिसमें छत पर एक झूमर और पीछे कुछ चमकती रोशनी दिखाई दे रही है। फर्श पर पैटर्न वाला कालीन बिछा है। लोग आपस में बात करते या कार्यक्रम देखते हुए प्रतीत हो रहे हैं।
और इवन आई कैन आस्क अ क्वेश्चन कि यहाँ पर कितने लोग बैठे हैं। लेट्स सी व्हाट इट गिव्स। यहाँ पर कितने लोग बैठे हैं? सो इट वर्क इन मोर देन 85 लैंग्वेजेस. So it will think, count every head and gives a rough idea in my frame. So yeah, it takes time.
यहाँ लगभग 100 से 120 लोग बैठे हैं। छवि थोड़ी धुंधली है, जिससे सटीक गिनती करना मुश्किल है, लेकिन अनुमानित संख्या यही है।
So इसने अनुमानित संख्या बोला, which is approx number around 100 to 120. So point is, this device truly a game changer for visually impaired person to visualize, and the main part is education. So it can read, not only read, but you can copy, create PDF, create HTML files, and it gives a header, tables. And the biggest part, it cannot overlook images or charts. it can give images, mathematical equations, or even chemical formulas. So this is what, and today we have more than 30,000 users of Jyoti AI. And I'm proud to share, we are exporting to Russia, China, South Korea, even America. So this made in India product, we are exporting to 40 countries. So another advanced product of Jyoti AI is AI Reader. With this AI Reader, you can place in any library or in any classroom. This is an institution product. You can place anywhere, and it can, a visually impaired person, not only visually impaired person, but learning impaired person, like low vision, dyslexic, autism, or even a visually impaired, he can able to read any document in any language. Plus, it has an AI teacher. And there is another model which we can make a AI inclusive classrooms. हमारे बच्चों के लिए रेगुलर बच्चों के लिए स्मार्ट क्लासरूम है, हमारे विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड बच्चों के लिए इंक्लूसिव एआई क्लासरूम्स. एंड द मेन पार्ट, इट कैन रीड द डॉक्टर हैंडराइटिंग, लाइक कोई भी हैंडराइटिंग आप दे दो, इट कैन रीड इट एंड यू कैन ट्रांसलेट. So it's completely revolution. I don't have time much, but we are also transforming the schools. So we have so far transformed, and we are creating a resource room. And in Gujarat, like I am from Gujarat, so in Gujarat we have transformed 150 block resource centers. We provided our solutions, and we want to work across the India. And yeah, so this is what we have created, Indian Sign Language ISL. So whatever I speak, it translates into the real-time live sign language. So I don't have time, but we can show you a demo in that way, in our store.
Yes.
Okay. Then we have Vani AI, which is AAC, Augmented Alternative Communication, which we have made it specifically for Indian languages. Right now क्या हो रहा है कि बहुत सारे AAC softwares हैं, but those are not very used to in Indian languages, Indian dialects. We have provided Indian dialects, and we done it in Kannada, like Tamil and many other sign languages. We have the Sakshita kit, sensory kits, age-wise inclusive education kits, and a lot of other solutions under one roof. The main part, which is measurable impact. We are not just giving the device, as I told you earlier. We are providing along with a full training, and we have a live dashboard कि कहाँ पर कितने बच्चे कौन सा solution use कर रहे हैं. We can track it. So it's a measurable impact, and we have a LMS and all those things. We are working in 4 SDGs. We are shaping purple economy. We have impacted 1 million lives. We are our proud partners, and we are enablers. So the last line I can say, these are the awards for AI solution which we have just shown you. So right now we are working on India AI mission, AI for AI, artificial intelligence for accessibility and inclusion. And this is what we have patents, and let's empower with Torch It. Thank you so much.